Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. All of you, please open your cameras. Children, what were we doing last week?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
completed our
we
chapter
were
number
doing-
6.
We
Ma'am,
completed chapter number 6. Yes. Okay, now
Ma'am, today
yes,
chapter
we have
number
completed.
7. Let's begin chapter 7.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to not do anything in our notebook.
ma'am,
Yes.
actually, in the last class, we have done only in 7th question, and we have done only the first part, not all the parts, ma'am. We have done. Ma'am, we have to do all the parts.
We have to do
And
all
fill in
the
the
parts of which question, beta?
ma'am, in 7th part, fill in the blanks. We have not done only one question. We have done
Okay, wait, let me
left,
just see.
both are left.
And we have done exercise.
Tell me the page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
first of all. Page
Ma'am,
number 71.
71. Yes, ma'am. Page number 71.
Okay, let's do this exercise quickly. How many of you are saying that we have done it? Neha Gangwar is saying, Hassan is saying. Who else is saying we have done it? Punita, beta, please check. I think we've done it when these students are saying. Maybe you have
No,
not
ma'am, we
done
have,
Yes, ma'am, we have done it.
ma'am,
Ma'am, we have done
actually,
it.
Okay, Arshia
ma'am,
is
actually,
saying we have done it.
ma'am, they have done, but in discussion is left.
Ma'am, discussion is also done.
Discussion is also done. Okay.
Ma'am, which
Punita,
question
you
you are
have
talking
doubt
about?
in any particular question, beta? Do you have doubt in any particular question? Tell me. If there is any doubt, I'll clear it out. Yes? Okay, children, listen. Hurry up. Let's just give 2 minutes to this exercise. The first one. Emma Abit on En. What country name have you put here in the first one?
Ma'am, France.
Yes? France.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, France.
Very nice. France and LA. Then, if she lives in France, who is she?
अभी मामी ने पोंछा लगाया है ना
Kere,
तो
please
अब वो ले
mute
जाके दिखाया है।
yourself.
अब तो वहां पे डाल के
Kere, mute yourself. Done? What is she when she lives in France? She is a Française. Okay, everybody just check the spelling.
Ma'am, France.
Then the second one. Jean Abit on. Again, it's En. So we'll again give what name? We'll give a feminine country. Let's say we can put France again. We can put France, we can put China, we can put India, any country. And then who is
Okay,
Jean?
ma'am.
Jean is a boy. Il est. Now let's check the spelling of Francais.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do we have to write this?
Where, beta? Where?
Ma'am, in the book, exercise
You have
only.
to do this exercise in the book itself. Do it in the book itself. Then the third one. Mamoon Abid on. Let's say now India. And. Okay? And il est Indian. Fine?
Yes, ma'am, fine.
Fourth one. Paul A. Nicole Abit. Now we're talking about two people. Let's say again they have written EN. So now let's give China. That's Sheen. Okay, Sheen and Ils sont Chinois. They are two boys. So we'll put the nationality in masculine. Here,
Masculine plural.
yes, masculine plural. Masculine plural. Okay. Then next is Neha Abid on India and L8 Indian. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
coming on to the sixth one. The sixth one is Kylie Abid O. Now, Kylie, it's given O. So let's take a masculine country. Japan. Fine? Kylie Abid
Yes, ma'am.
O Japan. And LA. Now, she is what? Japanese. Clear? Is it clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am, clear. Yes, ma'am, clear.
Then,
Yes, ma'am.
next, Jack A. Tom. Now, again, two boys. Pay attention to the name because this makes us write the nationality correctly. Okay, when we know whom we are talking about, whether we're talking about boys or we're talking about girls. Jack and Tom live in, now see, it is given AUX. Now, which country are we going to put?
Ma'am, it says Tunis.
Yes.
Masculine.
Let's say Eta.
Unis.
Why? Because now we are bound.
Unis.
Because of this AUX, we are bound to put a plural country. Clear? And
Yes, ma'am,
a
clear.
person staying in United States. What is the nationality? American. American with S. American with S in the end. Why? Because we are talking about two people. So they are Americans. We can't say they are American. Then coming on to the eighth one. Pedro habite en, again, let's say France. And il est français.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the ninth one, Fatima A. Bano. Now Fatima and Bano are what? They are feminine names, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, they're feminine names.
Now, Fatima A. Bano, Abid, now they have not given anything. So we'll put any country. Let's say, let's put Algeria. Can we put Algeria? Because in the table, no article, nothing is given, no preposition is given before Algeria. Can you see
Yes,
this
ma'am.
last one? They live in Algeria and what are they? They are Algerian. Double Nes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Then the last one, Liu Ming Pai, habite en, let's say again China. Okay, because they have given En. China is also a feminine country and the name also is somewhat like a Chinese name. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let's say China. Habite en Chine and il est chinois. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to do eight part also.
Eight, no, if you can do it yourself, better do it. Otherwise, now what is it? Écoutez votre enseignant et collez les pétales de la fleur en utilisant les opulents. Okay. Now listen to your teacher. What will the teacher tell? What kind of stickers are given at the back? But I have never done this exercise in any
And they
class.
are like adjectives, ma'am.
Ma'am, so
Intelligent.
ma'am, so can we do or not?
You want to do
Ma'am,
it?
it is given. Ma'am, it is given in the stickers. Ma'am,
No,
please
Yes,
yes,
it
explain.
ma'am.
is given.
Ma'am,
It
it is
is,
given.
wait, beta, page number 71, exercise 8.
Adjectives are
Yes.
given.
Okay, I'll read out and you will paste. You want to do this?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
The first one, just listen to the pronunciation very clearly. It depends on the pronunciation. The first one is move. Move. Take out the correct sticker only. Don't take out the other one because two are given for move. The first one I'm calling out is move.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Go beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Move. Then
Ma'am,
second, let's
Ma'am,
take moves. The second one is moves.
It's not there.
Hmm?
Not
Ma'am,
there.
it is there. Ma'am, it is there. Ma'am, the top
Ma'am.
first one.
Yes,
Okay,
it is
okay, okay.
there.
Found.
yes, ma'am. It is there. Ma'am, it is there.
Yes. Mute yourself. Third is born. Fourth is born.
Okay, ma'am.
Done the second.
Ma'am, stick.
Done?
Ma'am, next. Yes, ma'am, done.
All of you have done the four, these four, I mean.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, the fifth one, I'll not write it down. The fifth one is men's.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Men's. Men's.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay. Ma'am,
After men's, it's intelligent. Intelligent. Sarthak, mute yourself.
Ma'am, the sixth one is intelligent.
Yes, intelligent.
ma'am, stick.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after intelligent, it's intelligent. Intelligent.
And this is also done.
Then eighth one, gross. Eighth one is gross.
Ma'am, masculine. Then feminine.
Better look at the stickers, what is given. Only one gross is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only one gross is given.
And in the end, petit and petite. 9th and 10th, petit, and 10th, petite.
Ma'am, done all.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Done it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do, we will begin the next chapter. Any doubt in this chapter, children?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Doubt? Everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am, everything is clear.
Okay. Now what is it? Lesson 7. Lesson 7. What is the name of the chapter? Quel jour
Quel jour sommes-nous?
Ma'am, call your some new.
Ma'am,
Noon.
can you tell anyone to send the PDF in group?
Okay, yes, one of you please send the PDF of this chapter, beta.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sending.
Yes, I'll wait for 2 minutes. And rest of you, just write the heading, put today's date in your notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've sent.
So soon, so quick, Neha. Was the PDF ready with you?
Ma'am, I thought that like some students need the PDF of every chapter, so I made that.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, I also have already made the PDF.
Good, good, good. Okay. Now, children, please everybody open your cameras. I can just see 3 students with their cameras on. I want all of you.
Ma'am, just open.
Kaustubh, Naitik, Dhairya, Falak, Aviral, Rishit, Sachit, Amesha, Ridhima, Sarthak, Darsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if we want to know the day, how do we ask in English? If you want to know what is the day, how do we ask in English?
What is the day?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the date today?
What's
What
the
is
day
the
today?
day?
What day is it? Isn't it? We ask like this. What is the day today? What day is it?
Yes, ma'am. We
Similarly,
asked.
if we want to ask, if we want to know the day in French language, how do we ask? We ask, quel jour sommes-nous? Everybody speak. Quel jour sommes-nous?
Quel jour
sommes-nous?
Write it down. What day it is.
Ma'am, what we have to write?
Quel jour sommes-nous? The translation of what it means. What day it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, day or date?
Day. Jour stands for day. D-A-Y. Bonjour. Good day. What is jour? Jour is day. What day it is. Now, what is the day today,
Ma'am,
children? What day is it?
today the day is Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. Now, today the answer will be,
Ma'am was ready.
oh, you remember? Very nice. You've learnt it. No song. The answer is,
Ma'am, in that break of 20 days, ma'am, I was seeing the next for the chapters only.
okay. Quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes and the day. Mercredi. Nous sommes
Okay.
mercredi.
Ma'am, this is the answer of French.
Yes. This is the answer of this question. This is the question.
the translation of 12 jours songs news is what's the day today?
Yes. What is the day today?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the day today? No
Ma'am,
song.
in Mercedes, ma'am, itself Wednesday.
It's not Mercredi, it's Mercredi. M-E-R, Mercredi. Clear?
Ma'am, it's called in English Wednesday.
Wednesday. Now we'll come to it. We'll come to it. First, let me just clear this question to you. Everybody now look up at the board. And children, please open your cameras. Why do I have to say it again and again? All of you open your cameras.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now see, if I literally translate this question, quel jour means which day. Okay? Which day? What is nous sommes? Nous and song. We have already done.
Ma'am, it is.
Nous means we.
ma'am, it is.
We. It means we. And
Ma'am,
song
it means we.
are. Right? Nous means we
Yes, ma'am.
and song means are. Which day are we in? If I literally translate word, if I give you word to word translation, the translation comes out, which day are we in? Is that clear? The answer goes,
Yes,
we
ma'am, clear.
are in Mercredi. We are in Mercredi.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Done? Now, there is
Yes,
another
ma'am.
way also of answering this question. Another way. Who will tell me the
Another
translation in
way.
English?
Ma'am, it is Wednesday.
Ma'am,
Written?
ma'am,
Yes.
I just know the translation of set Mercredi, but not the next line.
Okay. Now, the next line is, what is the next line?
Ma'am,
Aujourd'hui.
it means today.
Very good.
Ma'am, today.
Aujourd'hui.
ma'am, today.
What is aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui is
Ma'am,
today.
today.
Is today.
It is,
It is
say stands for,
It is
say stands for Wednesday. Sorry, it is. Say stands for it
Ma'am,
is. It is
It is
Wednesday today.
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 The whole term aujourd'hui means Wednesday. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, clear.
We can answer this question in two ways. Nous sommes mercredi. C'est mercredi aujourd'hui.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Write it down.
you tell the translation again?
We today is, see, don't go on word to word translation. Nous sommes mercredi is one way of answering in French. The other way is c'est mercredi aujourd'hui. It is Wednesday today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the third one? Third word in second answer.
A-U, J-O-U-R, au-jour, D''H-U-I. Aujourd'hui.
Okay.
Ma'am, it means today is Wednesday.
Yes, it is Wednesday today. It is Wednesday today. Aujourd'hui.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, do we have to write this in a notebook?
of course, beta. That is why I'm writing on
Ma'am,
the board.
ma'am, written.
Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am, you can raise.
All of you have written?
Ma'am, one time please show the whole board.
What?
Ma'am, done.
Once please show the whole board.
Show the board, beta. Is it not clear? See,
Ma'am,
I'm showing it
It
only.
is blur.
Is my board clear to
Ma'am?
all of you?
Yes, ma'am, now it is
yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear. Clear.
clear. It was blur.
Ma'am, ma'am, we have written only one page for ma'am lesson 6.
Lesson 6, you have written just one page. What does that mean?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, we have written only 2 pages.
Huh? Ma'am, but I have written
Why,
one.
Beta, I make you write.
Oh.
Whatever I write in the class, you are supposed to write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we must have written so much about nationalities, about countries, about definite articles. If you have
Ma'am, I
not
wrote
written,
them. Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
wrote all in the
ma'am,
book.
we have, ma'am, in first page we have written the basis of French language, and then chapter 6, les armies de Caroline, the nationalities.
yes. Okay, done till here. Can
Yes,
I erase the
ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
Oh. Mm.
Okay, then coming on to the next part of this chapter, it is
Ma'am, ma'am, please resume the first line.
are you still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
We can take screenshot.
What, Hassan?
No, I'm saying that he can take screenshot.
Okay, done. Enough. Now, coming on to the second part, that is les jours. Now, what are we learning in this chapter? In this chapter, we are learning the days. Okay,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will learn the days. Now, how? Les jours. Les jours is called the days. We are learning the days of what? The days of the week. Les jours les jours de la semaine.
Ma'am, what is
Means
this?
the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, now you can rub.
I can erase now. Okay. Les jours de la semaine. Now, what is the first day of the week? We will learn the names of the days. The first day, when does the week begin? With what day does it begin?
Ma'am, Monday. Ma'am, Yundi.
Monday.
Yes. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week. The first day starting from Monday is lundi. Lundi. Lundi.
What does the first line means?
Yes.
And what does the first line means?
The days of the week.
Okay.
The days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Everybody say les jours de la semaine.
The last semaine.
Les
Les
jours
jours
de la semaine.
de la semaine. Les jours de la
De la semaine.
Lundi, mardi. Then what is Wednesday? We just did Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercredi. Mercredi.
Yes, ma'am. Mercury.
Then Thursday is jeudi.
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 Now we have to write the translation also.
Yes, it is for your convenience, or you can simply think that starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, don't write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Jeudi. Then we have Von.
Ma'am, one.
V-E-N. Von.
One.
Very nice. Vendredi.
One. Jeudi. Ma'am, Samedi.
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 Samedi. And the last is
Samedi. Ma'am,
Ma'am, Dimang.
Dimang.
Dimanche. The last name. Dimanche.
Okay, ma'am. Dimanche. Dimanche. Ma'am, written all the 7
Ma'am, but
days.
you speak all the names of. Ma'am, I want to write the pronunciation.
Yes.
Ma'am, once please speak all the names. and all
Okay.
the days of
Starting.
the week.
Wait. Starting from Monday, let's go like this. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clear? Can you see all the
Yes, ma'am.
days?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again, all of you unmute yourself and speak.
Lundi, mardi,
No, it's
Lundi,
lengthy.
mardi,
It's lengthy.
Mar-
Like a paper is lengthy in
Lundi,
any subject?
Lundi,
Lundi.
Mardi,
No, ma'am.
Mercredi,
Lundi,
Jeudi,
mardi, mercredi,
Samedi,
Judy,
Dimanche.
Wednesday, Sunday, dimanche.
Ma'am, Yendi, Mardi. Ma'am,
Lundi,
Mercury. Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes.
Vendredi. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Samedi.
can I also tell?
And Dimon.
Ma'am,
Very
now
good.
can I tell?
Yes, tell better.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, Judy, Wednesday, Sunday, dimanche.
Dimanche, yes. I hope all of you are clear with the pronunciation of these words.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more thing quickly, let's just do it, which is related to it only. Now, as I told you, Say mercredi aujourd'hui. I wrote aujourd'hui, which stands for today, isn't it?
On today. Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am,
I
today.
want to ask you, I want to tell you what was yesterday. Yesterday it was Tuesday, isn't it?
Tuesday. Yes, ma'am.
What is yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yesterday
Ma'am,
is
yesterday it was
hier. Hier. Hier in French is known as yesterday.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
spelling is H-I-E-R.
Yes, H-I-E.
H-I-E-R.
Hier. Yesterday it was, I want to say, yesterday it was Tuesday. So I'll say now, c'était. C'était,
Say
it was Tuesday yesterday.
yes, ma'am.
It was Tuesday yesterday, or yesterday it was Tuesday. Hier, c'était mardi. Like we learned,
Okay.
c'est mercredi aujourd'hui, c'était
Yes, ma'am, we
mardi hier.
Okay, ma'am.
And now, c'était is what it was. Everybody just put a star and write it, because it is also used in many sentences. Although it is not in your syllabus right now, but still you should know.
Ma'am, put it. The star. And written.
Then, what is tomorrow? What day is tomorrow?
Ma'am, tomorrow is Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Now let me just erase it.
Ma'am, it is Dima. Ma'am, it is Dima.
Very good.
Dima.
Dama. It's Dama.
Ma'am,
Dama.
Dama.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Dama.
tomorrow,
Ma'am, my pronouns are open noun. That is why I'm telling.
say
Okay.
Dama. Sorry.
S-A-H.
Say jeudi Dama.
Say Jidi Dama.
It is Thursday tomorrow, or tomorrow it is Thursday.
Yes,
Dama, say
It is
yedi. Now, if I want to
Yes,
talk
ma'am.
in future tense, what will I say?
Ma'am, we will just say
Say
Dema means
Sahra
tomorrow.
yadi Dama. It will be Thursday tomorrow.
okay.
Because Sahra yadi
Dema means
Dama means tomorrow.
okay.
Dama
Ma'am, we
is
can write
tomorrow.
like this form also.
Yes, you can
We
write.
can write. Okay,
You
ma'am.
can write this. It is Thursday
Ma'am.
tomorrow, and it will be Thursday tomorrow. There are two ways of telling about tomorrow. So what
Yes,
we learned is hier,
Here.
aujourd'hui, and
Okay.
demain. Okay, yesterday,
Demain.
today, and tomorrow. Right?
Ma'am, you have not written. Yes, ma'am, you have written.
Ma'am, what is the day after tomorrow?
Day
Après
after
demain.
tomorrow.
It's après demain. Après means after.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
C'était, c'est, and ce sera.
Ma'am, these are used
Ma'am,
in
it will be Sir Sarah Judy Dema.
Yes.